you. I love you.
Guess what, Jaden?
Guess what I did?
Mommy and KK ate all your candy when you were asleep last night. Uh-oh.
Your candy's all
Your
gone.
candy's all gone.
We ate it all.
gone.
It's not in there. Don't trash my closet, dude.
We ate it all
I
gone.
can't even see him. It's too dark.
Come out here.
Where'd your candy go?
Where's your candy? We ate it all. Mommy and KK did last night when you were asleep.
Remember when we went trunk or treating? Yeah, we ate it all.
We ate all gone. It's in our tummies.
We ate all your candy.
We're
I'm
gonna
so
do-
sorry.
Sorry.
I love you though. Can I have a hug? Can I have some love? I love you.
Crazy, Mom.
Are you mad at me?
Are you mad at us? She could said yes.
Are you angry? Are you
Look at Mommy and
Are
tell
you
Mommy.
angry?
Are you angry?
I'm sorry
mad?
I'm sorry we ate it all.
It's in our tummies. What are you gonna do now?
What's the matter? I'm not sitting on it. What are you doing on my butt, you freak? I ate it all. I told you.
We ate it all last night when you were sleeping. It's in our tummies.
I ate all your candy.
Ha ha.
Look, it's in my tummy. See? It's all gone. Look at KK's tummy. She got fat too.
I
She
ate
ate it
your
all.
candy too. Hey, all your candy. Look at Mo.
He doesn't care. Or maybe he does. Ooh, want an animal cracker? So are you sad we ate all your candy or what?
Are you sad that we ate all your candy?
Give him an animal cracker. He deserves it. We're tortured him enough already.